Good morning! Today is PR event. Pupunta kami nila Cherry and ni Aprilyn. Aprilyn galing pa siya ng Abu Dhabi. What time ka umalis ng Abu Dhabi?
5.
5 a.m. My God.
5 a.m.
PR event. So is part to ng Sephora Makeup Convention for fall and winter. Ano oras na pa? 7:45. Ang call time namin is 8 a.m. Bongga, diba?
Magsiset up sila.
Ay magsiset up. Hindi, actually start naman nun mga 9:30. Tapos magsiset up pa, ilalagay pa yung mga products. So, silang dalawa, si Cherry saka si Aprilyn is for Marc Jacobs. Tapos ako ulit for Fenty, and then
May kasama kami.
si Sandy, yung isang kasama namin na ibang lahi. Saka si Lida for Kat Von D. So mamaya, makikita nyo naman yung setup namin for this PR event. Kaya panoorin nyo.
I gave you my heart.
Dito na kami, kakababa lang ng taxi. So, kamatik pa kami maligaw. Buti nakita namin yung signage ng Sephora. So, ayan. Parang nasa gitna siya ng industrial area. So, ayan. Diyan kami, yung Cube. Diyan, sa loob mangyayari yung PR event. Pasok na tayo, medyo mainit. So, ayan. Meron tayong Hermes, meron tayong Spice Bomb, Jo Malone on that side, Samir Kozami, yan. Tapos Sephora, mga products dito. Pixie Glow, ayan, Caudalie. My favorite brand so far, Caudalie, Glam Glow, Pixie, Aveda. Oh, meron pa pala rito mga skincare naman. Oh, Origins. Ayan, yan yung mga brands na makukuha ng mga influencer and vloggers later. Tapos Yamanote. Wow, Japanese bakery, kasama sila. Glam Glow and Smashbox. Ayan. Ano to? Bago to. Bago to sa Sephora. Bagong brand sa Sephora. Sunday Riley. Ewan. Yes. Marc Jacobs. Later. Jo Malone. Wow! May Jo Malone! Let's spray muna tayo ng Jo Malone. Spray muna tayo ng English, Pear, and Fresha. Ay, Hermes. Wood Sage. And Siso. Ay, ito, cologne. Nice. English Pear. Hi! Toothpaste represent. Damn girl. Dito ako manghihingi ng Hermes perfume. Ayan. Dito talaga kami mga nagkikita-kita sa event eh.
Ganyan talaga. Yung scarf pwede niya yung brand.
Ay, oo. Pwede naman scar. Baka naman.
Ito pinakabag.
Baka naman pwede makahingi ng scar. May scar pa kayo dyan?
Wala.
Ito lang?
Yung siya, ginagawa kong bracelet. Kaya ako nandito ako kumama.
Oh.
Souvenir.
Oh. Hermes.
Vlog ka na lang. Ayun po yung photo booth ka niya.
May photo booth din sila. So, ayan mga nag-aayos na sila. Nice! Oh. Gayahin natin. Gagayahin pala ni March. Say hi naman sa mga ka-dreamer.
Hi, hello po. Ayan. So, may binila ko na
and challenging na trabaho this morning.
2 days kayo ginagawa ko, so kay Marge naman. Netrace niya muna. David Bowie kasi ang team ng Marc Jacobs. So, the results of the cotton brush is not hard. Right? And then we're also launching 5 new shades.
Product that I'm going to use is one of the heroes. It's just launched in Sephora and it's super selling, which is the vitamin C toner. Now this is alcohol free, it's grapefruit water based, with humectants that put hydration back into the skin, and the vitamin C also has
Hi guys! Lunchtime already, so we're having a charcoal ice cream. What is this?
Hi.
Noodles?
Noodles.
Stir-fry noodles with
Sesame
oil, water. She's having water. And then
I'm having strawberry
with
chocolate.
chocolate. So, wala na lahat ng mga tao. Mamaya ulit, second batch. First batch is mostly media personalities. Media magazines, editors. And then the second, and makeup artists pala. The next batch is influencers. Ayan na. Yun yung mga one of the biggest influencer will come. Right? Do you like her makeup? Do you like her makeup? Oh, Hiwa from Tarte.
Hi.
Yeah. So, I might get a charcoal ice cream as well.
You should.
It's really nice. Nice. She's having sandwich with avocado, chicken, and wasabi.
I don't know what there is inside.
Yeah.
Ice cream. We will have.
Thank you, Hermes, for the bracelet. It's free. Yeah. They told us that it's a real Hermes. What do you call this? Linen? Silk. Real Hermes silk. So they are giving this one here exclusive only in this event.
I'm jealous because you say
Thank you, Hermes. She becomes jealous.
she will give me.
Get the mascara. Get the mascara. Exchange with the mascara.
Good deal.
Because Too Faced will launch Damn Girl Mascara.
Damn girl mascara.
Yeah, before it was the better than love. It's not allowed better than that.
Than that.
So it becomes better than love.
Than
Then Damn Girl. What else are you launching?
Hangover primer with SPF 25. Skincare.
Look at your lips. Look at your lips now. Orange and black.
Me too. Oh my god. Show me my lipstick. Oh my god. Hindi ko na ko dito o sa
Because mine, it's already purple.
So Sandy
No
is
difference.
one of our beauty consultant from Kat Von D.
Hello.
She really does has the DNA of Kat Von D.
Very cold.
Yeah, very cool.
And the ice cream to match.
Ice cream,
In the back.
one bracelet. So thank you guys for the Hermes. Masabi lang. Yan. Kuha tayo ng ice cream. Oh, so ito yung Glam Glow, mga bagong mask. So, kuha tayo ng ice cream. Wow, Origins. So, it's charcoal.
Uy, pwede na ako maging mag-ice cream ba?
With 1% salicylic acid. Bamboo charcoal. Salicylic pala. Sorry. Maganda yan. Super yan.
Na-perfect ito. Nasang scrub. Nasang scrub.
Okay.
Konti lang. Wow.
Wow.
Sarap niya, be.
Nice.
What's
Volcanic ash. Tastes like volcanic ash. Thank you. Thank you, Origins. It's really nice. Try. So thank you, Origins. Thank you, Origins, for clear improvement ice cream. Tapos, ayan. Meron din ngayon Aveda sa hair products. Magbago yan, vegan siya. And then Pixie. Bago nila. My favorite brand, Caudalie, in terms of skincare. Wow, bago. Fresh flowers. Ang dala ng Caudalie. Ang buong set.
Well, so that's really cool. We all want to be loved. And if you have congestion in your skin, it's going to help exfoliate and clarify that. Because all the dead skin cells that go into us all the way here. And we're going to be talking about launching the True Portrait Medium Coverage Foundation. And it's another vegan launch. It sure is. Am I good to go? Can I admire your look? I love how you look today. Yes. We're really excited to have you today.
I'm so excited to be here. It's my first time in Dubai and I'm loving it.
A lot of us grew up watching the Kat Von D tattoo show.
Oh, well, I actually have some tattoos by her
I
too.
was so excited when she eventually launched.
Oh my gosh, I know. She's incredible. And I'm so excited to be here today because this is something... Can you guys hear me okay? This is something that's brand new and it's very different and new for our brand. It's a medium coverage foundation. And we're so excited to have it here, especially here in the Middle East, because it's made for oily and combination skin. Not only are you going to get a beautiful skin-like finish, but it's long wear. We're talking 18 to 20 hours, transfer-proof, water-resistant, it's not going to go anywhere. So the one thing you want to make sure you're doing before you apply it is give it a good shake. Whether you like to do a little bit or a lot, I like to call it my morning workout routine. The reason being, it's a water-based foundation, and it has almost little beads in it, just like a nail polish. You would never put a nail polish on straight.
Empty na. Oh, haggard na din. Grabe, sakit ng balakang ko. Saka pa ako. So, ayan guys. Nagliligpitan na. Haggard. Haggard. Uy, paalala nyo nga sa akin yung power bank ko gamit niyan. Tayo. So, ayun lang guys. Sobrang pagod kami. Tas bukas photoshoot.
Yeah.
Isang beses pa lang ako kumakain ngayong araw. Is it a good thing? Guys, pauwi na kami. Parang
May sakit na.
8 a.m. kami nandito. Tingnan mo yung driver kasi nagtumawag na ako ng Uber. So magsi 7 p.m. na.
Asan ba? Help the driver find the faster.
We're in the bus shop. So kumuha na ako ng kumuha na ako ng Uber. And ayan. Wait lang.
Hi! Pauwi na kami. Pagoda. Tingnan mo, si DJ laps na.
Ma'am, isang beses pa lang ako kumakain ngayong araw.
Di bali, hindi naman masarap yung pagkain.
No, I mean...
April, may energy ka pa ba?
Ayun, meron
Ay,
pa
naku,
naman.
yun, uwi pa ng Abu Dhabi.
Meron pa naman, kaya pa naman.
2 minutes away.
2 minutes, 2
Oh,
minutes.
ayan na,
to
paparating
3
na
minutes
yung
away.
Uber namin. So, antay-antay lang.
My God, can I sit? Ay, umusog naman kayo, please. Ako,
Dito yung gitna, be. Baka mapaupo ka dyan.
oh, L3090 yung ating Uber. So, oily. Sobra. So, ayan. Yan kami nag-event. Yan, dyan. And sobrang pagod na. Your driver is arriving. L3090. Papasok na daw siya, hindi pa. Sobrang pagod na ako, guys. Tapos bukas, early call time, 8:30 a.m. sa office para sa Canmondi photoshoot.
Ngayon ba natin mag-out?
Ay, kailangan ko rin mag-out. Paalala nyo pag sakay ko sa taxi, mag-out ako dun sa log-in, log-out namin. So, ayun lang, guys. Sobrang pagod talaga.
Bukas pa, meron ka.
Nakailang pagod na ako.
Okay lang, sinabi ko na kayo.
Buti ikaw, may pasok ko morning, no? At least 9.
I'm super tired. Everyday morning.
Just got 2 days called Sephora makeup convention, 1 day Sephora event. Supposed to be my off today, Tuesday, Wednesday. So they cancel hanggang Friday. Cancel ako hanggang Friday.
Yan na siya.
Ayun na. Bahay na ako. Sumun na si Cherry lahir na tsuka na hilo. Ay, sobrang gutom. Bumak. Ako naman kumain ng chocolate agad. Kasi wala, grabe yung kinain namin. Ngani. Street isa, uwi pa ng Abu Dhabi. Nakainom mo na siya ng tubig. Pero wala kami nakuha na regalo. Agawan.
Nga kaya nahilo.
Nga, wala kasi regalo kaya nahilo. Ayun lang. Until next vlog, kailangan ko lang magpahinga dahil bukas photoshoot. Pero fresh pa rin. Malaban pa din ako. Katapat sa ilaw. Basta katapat sa ilaw. O, sige na mga ka-dreamers. Bye-bye. Salamat sa pagsama.
Bye!
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.